Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on Grammarly on a word. As you can see that I do not have Grammarly feature. If I had, I would get an icon on the bottom right corner of my screen. Go to your preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly's website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on Apps section here and click on Install button. Now you will get a pop-up like this. Simply click on it to execute the setup file. Reload this page. As you can see that it has been activated. Now open up the word. Here you can see the Grammarly icon. So that is how you can turn on Grammarly back on a word. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.